Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make a cheesecake at home. No bake cheesecake. First of all, we need some digestive biscuits. We're going to put it in a blender, or you can bash it with your rolling pins. It's up to you. We're going to put them there. Now we're going to add some melted butter to it. Lovely and crumbly. Mix them well. We're going to make an individual one now. First of all, we're going to put our cramb mix at the bottom. We'll make sure we spoon them very well, and so they're going to stay at the bottom. We're going to add our soft cheese. We're going to make it a little bit smooth. Soft cheese is nearly there. Double cream. The way we whisk our double cream is soft pick. We're gonna add a little bit of milk, and we're gonna add our gelatin to it. We're gonna heat up our gelatin and the milk mixture in the, I put it in the microwave for 10 to 12 seconds. Make sure there is no lump, everything is smooth. Now we're gonna assemble our cheesecake. We're gonna do the mango cheesecake today. So we put the milk mixture, we have the cheese there, cream. We're gonna add our double cream to it. We're gonna mix them all together. Now, the reason we're gonna do the mango, we're gonna add some mango coulis to it. So that's bring the flavor of the mango. Now we're gonna add some icing sugar to it. We got to bring a little bit sweetness to the cheesecake. We're gonna mix them well. Now we're gonna fill up our molds with our cheesecake mixture. That looks lovely. We're gonna straighten up the top, so they're gonna look very good when you present it. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. If you don't have the molds, don't worry. If you have a glass, use a glass, put your biscuit crumb, and then on top you put your mixture and fill up the glass. Now you can put them in the fridge. Now you can put them in the fridge for a couple of hours. Okay, viewers, we explain you what is mango coulis. Mango coulis is basically you take the mangoes, de-stone the mangoes, and you chop the mangoes very small and put it in a pan with sugar, vanilla, and mangoes all together. You bring them to boil, and some people put some flavoring to it. Just like some people put vanilla, some people put cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and everything. And then when it comes to cook the mangoes, after that you cool it down and blend them in a blender and stain them so there is no. Dear viewers, we're going to show you now what is the position of my cheesecake. Well, this is the cheesecake. We're going to present it now. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now we're going to decorate it in different ways. Some mango on top because mango, some strawberries on the side, another one in this side, another strawberry on that side. Look at that, how cute it looks. Now we're gonna put some coulis around it. Mango coulis, mango coulis, mango coulis, and a mango coulis. Dear viewers, isn't it looks pretty? Enjoy and mix it. Dear viewers, this is the one we put it on the glass. You remember? And now we're gonna put some strawberries. Isn't it looks pretty?
Oh,
What do you think?
it's very soft and crunchy, and I think you should better try it.
Enjoy. My second tester, can you test it? What do you think?
It's delicious.
Enjoy and bon appetit.